how you can easily switch accounts on Instagram. So first of all, you'll have to open your Instagram and then go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, click on three dots right here at the top right. This will open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, just scroll all the way down until you find these logout options. You don't necessarily have to log out of your Instagram in order to log in or add another account. So you can just tap on add account. Then if you have already logged in to your account, you can just tap on to log in to existing account, or if you want to create a new one, you can tap on create new account. So I already have a account logged in, so I'm just going to tap on log into existing account. Now this will show up all of the account that I have logged in. So I'm just going to tap on the one that I want to log into, and then just enter the password. Once you enter your password, you're just going to click on login. This will automatically log into your account and you're good to go. There is another simple method that you can do is by long pressing your account icon, and from here you can choose your desired account to log into. Or you can double tap on this icon that will switch your account really quick. And that's how you can easily switch account on Instagram. Thank you for watching.